Hi, welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today's recipe is a little interesting one. We're making stuffed Phyllo fingers. We're stuffing these with a feta cheese. I hope you enjoy this recipe. To make our Phyllo fingers, I've got a Phyllo sheet. Put some oil on it. We've got olive oil. I've put some feta, just sprinkling some lemon rind for flavor, some finely chopped mint leaves, and now it's time to roll our Phyllo sheets. So what I do is I connect the two ends . And then start rolling this. I do this with all my Phyllo pastry and my feta, and then this is brushed with oil again and on a greased baking tray. This is put in the oven at 180 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes till it's slightly golden brown. Our feta Phyllo fingers are out of the oven. Now to serve them, we're just going to drizzle them with some honey. You can even use a pure maple syrup. Sprinkle with some black sesame seeds. And just garnish with a sprig of mint leaves. And our dish is ready to serve. So these are our Phyllo feta fingers. I hope you enjoy making this recipe. Thanks.